Hi guys, don't know if you can see me, I'm gonna squish in, but today I have a new box opening. Oh my god, this one is from BeBeDolls or BeBe something or another. Hold on, let me see if I can't read the name. Yes, BeBeDolls. She is actually a US based Blythe reseller, and she's actually located in Oregon. So anything I need to go to Texas, I always end, especially if I really want it to go fast and I can't find it on Amazon, I go to BeBe. Now, she is a little bit more expensive than AliExpress, but I think it's worth the price if you want something as quickly as possible and you don't want to wait a month or two for something to arrive. So I did an order with BeBeDolls, and because this is an order for a Blythe, I brought out my little Blythe Penelope. I don't know if I've let y'all know her name, but this is Penelope. This is not going to be her wig, that's the last one. This is her temporary wig for now, but Penelope is going to help me open up this box. I have an X-Acto knife. If you're a kid, please be careful opening packages with an X-Acto knife. But this is an adult channel, so I hope you understand how to use an X-Acto knife without harming yourself. Or if you harm yourself, I hope it's not that bad, because I always end up cutting myself with an X-Acto knife pretty often. So let's see what we got. Ooh, she put some nice little air packages in here. That is sweet. Ooh, I got a little 5% off my next order. Guess who's going back? Me. So we have this lovely bubble wrap little package. I'm super excited. What is it? It's a new head. Oh, and it's unpainted. I am so excited for it. And she came with little nails and things. Oh, that is good. I have a white head. It's actually shiny, but that's fine. I'm going to sandpaper it and make it nice and matte, and then put some super clear, Mr. Super Clear on it, and that will definitely get rid of the matte. I don't like shiny faces, I like the matte faces. So I'm really excited about this. I actually have several faces. I had bought 4 Blythes, but I tried to customize 3 faces. Well, that didn't go out well. So from now on, I'm not going to use an X-Acto knife or cutting materials on my Blythe face. It's just not something I'm very good at. Or maybe I'm just too picky. Probably because I'm too picky. But I have this beautiful face. I'm going to give it a face up later on, so wait up for that video. And I'm going to sandpaper with a very fine, maybe 4000 grit sandpaper to get rid of the shininess and so that the pastels can stick on this. So I'm really excited for this head. I have much planned for it. We have another piece of bubble wrap in here. I wonder what it is. Oh yes, it is a scalp. I love regular plain scalps. I don't like the hair that comes on the scalp. I just want it to be a plain scalp. I don't want anything on it. So for this head, it didn't come with a scalp. I didn't want to use one of the old scalps from one of the other heads because I don't like the hair. I really just want a plain white scalp so I can put wigs on it. Maybe it's because I originally came from the BJD era of stuff. I mean, I had Barbies when I was growing up, but 12 years ago, I really got into BJDs. And then last year I got into Blythes, and that's how this whole channel came to be, is my obsession with Blythes. But I still have a very good heart when it comes to BJDs, and I guess I like to give her that sort of BJD-like aesthetic. So that is why I got the scalp, long story short. Another thing, I have 2 little baggies in here, and I got ears. I actually want to get more ears, but I got 1 set of ears for the new head that's going to go on one of the bodies. Ooh, it fits nicely. I want to put little dangling earrings on it, and even though this Blythe comes with a ear piercing, she doesn't really carry dangling ears all that well. So having the little separate ear going onto your Blythe, which this is the white skin, is very handy, and my dog wants to know what's going on, so she's jumping around down there. So I have the ears, they're going to look super cute, and I have another set right here for my beautiful girl. Oh, and she comes with ticky-tack. I don't think I'm going to ticky-tack the ears. I think I'm just going to go straight on and glue them on with some super glue, or even some plastic glue. I actually have a glue that melts plastic and sort of makes a permanent seal, because super glue can actually break off. And maybe I will use the super glue because it's permanent, but it's less permanent than the plastic glue. So I'll just super glue it. I have 2 ears, so this is how she's going to look. Break the head. So this is how she's going to look with the 2 ears. She looks great. The skin color matches well. And I'm going to put it on my beautiful Penelope. Penelope does not have ear piercings, but that's fine. I'm going to create the ears, and she's going to have super cute ears hiding behind her hair. I think it is cute. At first I really hated the ears because I thought they looked kind of silly, but after a while they've really grown on me, and I'm really excited to see them on my doll. So I got plenty of ears, I got a new head, I'm going to make another doll, so I'll have 2 complete Blythes. I won't have 1 Blythe and 3 random bodies running around. So I'm really excited. That is my order from BeBeDolls LLC. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, add a comment if you'd like to add some questions, or if you have any concerns. BeBeDolls also has her own YouTube channel, which I'm going to link in the description box below if you're interested. She does some pretty good Blythe customizations. I'm really happy with how she does. If anything, I think she's part of one of the reasons why I started collecting Blythe to begin with last year. And now that I have a couple of Blythes, not full Blythes, but a couple of Blythes, and I'm going to have more full Blythes now that I've bought this beautiful little head. Why aren't you sitting down, little lady? Why are you being picky? So that is what's going on. I'm really excited with my purchase. I was really happy to be able to go back. I'm probably going to spend my $5 off coupon on my next payday. I'm really excited. I have a great idea. Probably another scalp, because I did the same thing last time she gave me a $5 gift card. I bought another scalp. It's so random, but it works, and I'm really happy with it. I am so excited, and I hope you are too. Bye-bye now.